Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long while since I uploaded a video, like almost a month. So actually I was really busy with university classes and tuitions, and everything kept piling up with the registration process and everything. So finally I have time now, so I thought that I should make a video on a Diwali look, because obviously it is festive season now. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to start with a setting powder. I'm using the K Beauty settings powder. I'm going to give the shade names and all the product names in the description. So first I'm going to apply it in the areas in which I'll bake and also under my eyes, so that if there is any fallout I can dust it off later on. Next I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Edit Petit Pro palette in the shade Nude, and I'm going to use my PAC big blending brush. I'll give the brush number in the description. Now I'm using the chocolate brown shade, and I'm going to use it all over my crease to deepen it and to enhance it, because the sari is black, so I want something dark in my crease. Now I am going to use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. First I'm going to use the shade Supernova in my crease. So I am not using any concealer to cut my crease, because these shimmery shades in this palette are very adhesive, very pigmented. So Supernova is this duochromatic pinkish to bronzy shift kind of shade. So I am going to apply it on my outer crease. Going to use the shade Gold Glitch, and this will go into the inner corner of my crease. So this is a pure gold shimmer. Now I'm going to use this chocolate brown shade once again from the NYX Petite palette in order to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner and my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and then I'm going to apply the eyeliner, curl my lashes and apply mascara off camera, and this is how it looks after the eye is completely finished. I'm dusting off the powder with which I baked my face, and after dusting it off under my eyes, most of the fallout is supposed to be dusted off with it too. Next I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blush Duo for my blush, and I am going to use the K-Beauty highlighter in order to highlight. I'm going to use the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Rust Lust. It is a beautiful red color, goes with most skin tones, very universal. So, and it is also very fitting for this look. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel, drop a like, drop a comment, tell me how you find this look. It encourages me. Subscribe to my channel, share the video, and that's it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the look I created. So please tell me in the comment section how you find this look, how you find this video. Did you enjoy it or not? What would you like to watch next? And also, I have checked that more than 60% of my viewers have not yet subscribed to my channel. So please, guys, subscribe to my channel. I mean, I have already told it's free of cost, gives me appreciation, tells me that you guys are liking my videos. So please, guys, go subscribe, hit the like button, share the video if you like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, if you want to follow me on my Instagram to get the sneak peeks of different looks, or to just follow my everyday life and posts, so you can follow me on my Instagram. The link of my Instagram is given in the description, so go ahead and follow.